Let's have a look. What do you guys think about the new camera angle? We got Scarface in the back. Say hello to my little friend. Isn't it amazing? Hope you guys are doing good though. Let me know if we're live. Let me know if everything is going alright. Let me know if we're getting communication here to the other side of the world. Let me also make sure to share this out to you guys. So I'll make a little announcement that we're live. Let's see, we're live on the YouTube. Tune in. All right, let's see. We got Electric, we got Khalid already in the building. You guys are awesome. Hope you guys are doing all right. Welcome back to the live stream. Let's see what we have for today here, guys. Let's see what we have here for today. We got Scarface in the back. Isn't that amazing? Let's go. Entity in the building. Hope you're doing good, bro. Etha, good morning. Good morning, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate that a lot. Let's see what we got here for today, though. Let's see what we got here for today. Potentially, I will be looking for shorts to the downside here. It just depends on what the VIX is going to do. We have another inefficient high on the VIX here, guys. So we have another inefficient high currently here on the VIX. If they want to regather that to the upside and make price efficient again, I personally would look for shorts here for the Nasdaq. Also looking at the overall move, we had a pretty drastic move already for today. So for me, it wouldn't be surprising if this wants to sink a little bit lower. We can see that we already have a 15-minute FEG that we just stepped into here, and we're selling it off from. So it's looking interesting for sales. We actually tapped back into the VWAP. We came back into midnight open and couldn't break it. We are at 22 now. It looks like a good short setup. I'm just waiting for 6 o'clock to open up here and see what 6 will do for us. Let's see if we can get a short in, right? Let's see if we can get a short in. That would be nice. That would be nice. We'll see. If this turns it into a order block also on the 15, that would be great. We actually swept previous 15-minute high and closing it lower now, which I like. So internally, we're already shifting structure now. We're gonna see what happens here. Otherwise, I will be looking for a potential short setup, maybe potentially with the stop loss above this high, and just simply looking for a reversal down back towards the current day low, right? Back towards the current day low. It's an inefficient low for me personally. We never traded back into it, so I would say that something like that could be the target. Hi from Discord. TR, good morning. Maximus, good morning. Hey Mukzi, hope you're doing all right. Hope you guys are doing all right. Let's have a look here. So what could we be risking here? I'll be risking 2 contracts to pass this account here, guys. That would be the goal, to pass the account. Let's see. All right, sell limit is in place. Let's see if this wants to give us the entry here. I'm entering based on the fact that I am assuming this wants to continue lower. A retest into the current 15-minute order block above would be my entry. Oh, let's hope they don't sink it down from this current location instantly. That would be crazy if that happens. But yeah, we're looking for a little wick up and then for continuation play lower. And I only need to get 175 bucks on this account. So we go for 180 and then we're done. Then we're done with this account, guys. So we passed it live on stream. If this is the case, we actually did it. We did it, trading micros all the way to passing an account together. That would be crazy if this is the case. That would be crazy. We'll see though. We'll see whether or not this is the case. I think overall it's looking good. You have a closure below. I would assume this could continue to the downside. We'll see what happens though. Let me have a look to make sure that this is enough. Yeah, this should be enough. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see what happens here. So I'm currently in the short here on the Nasdaq, assuming that we're going to continue higher here for the VIX. I think this is a valid stop placement. We could also wait a little bit longer. Personally, I don't think they have to wait longer. If you look at the 6 o'clock candle, I would not assume they want to come back into midnight open, but if they would, we still have a protection layer above, so they could retest this level before they go down. They already retested it before, so I'm assuming this looks like a good level to short from. And we also have 22 resting above, so there's also another level of potential resistance for the flip down lower. And yeah, we just have an inefficient high again on the VIX, right? So if this wants to retest the open of the VIX, to the upside, then this looks like a good short for me. But let's see what happens. Peace Snow, good morning, hope you're doing all right. Electric, good morning. Marco, good morning. Call sign, good morning. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate every single one of you. Hope you're doing all right. Welcome for tuning in, though. Thank you for tuning in. And let's have a look what happens today. Let's see if they want to take out these lows here, or they want to make it hard for me today. At first, give me a stop out before they go. You never know. You never know. What do you guys think about the new camera angle? Did you guys like the one on top of more, or the one that we have now? I can't put it in the middle. I wish I could, but I can't put it in the middle, guys. I just can't do it because I don't have the room for it. I have two screens stacked on top of each other, so there's no way for me to do it. Voltaire, I hope you're doing good, bro. Thank you for tuning in. Look, guys, what I got here in the back, bro. You see that? Scarface resting in the back. You play guitar? No. I don't play guitar, bro. I only act like I play guitar because chicks like it. No, I'm joking. I wanted to play guitar, so I bought myself a guitar. But you know how it is, bro. You know the thing is with guitar playing and stuff. You enjoy it for a week or two, and then you're like, eh. You need to have the passion for it. You see what I'm saying? You need to have the passion for it. And I did not really have the passion for it. Yeah, Scarface. Yeah, I got Scarface. This one I got it from my mentor, my brother. He gave me this for my birthday. Isn't that awesome? I still have it. It's just chilling in the middle of the room, guys. Chilling right there. I first hang it up on the wall, but it fell down and it took the paint with it. So I was like, nah, okay, let's not do that again before my mom becomes, you know, mad. So I made sure to just put it down there. So I put it next to Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great is just chilling on the side of it. You can't see it, but it's on the other side of it right there. So yeah, awesome. We got some legends here in my room right now. Scarface, Alexander the Great. Awesome. I love it. All right, so let's see what we have for today. So I'm shorting the Nasdaq right now, assuming that we might want to continue pushing lower. When it comes to gold, I would say gold could be a potential long. When would I be interested in looking for longs? If they break back below midnight open. So for now, I'm not going to trade anything regarding gold. Let me remove everything else, by the way. Yeah, I just need to see a good pullback for gold here before I would look for a continuation play longs here. Yeah, because if the DXY wants to continue sinking lower, that would be the most reasonable, idea here, guys, right? Like there's no other way around it. If you can look at the current weekly open, we're trading above the weekly open. We trade back into the previous range, and we sell off on 50%, and now it looks like they just want to continue lower, right? If this wants to continue to the downside, then we just have to look for longs on gold, looking at the contradicting elements here, right? And if it comes to oil, yeah, if oil wants to continue sinking lower as well, then that would also back us up when it comes to gold. For the long setup, we just have to wait for gold to give us a more favorable entry. So the alert is set. We'll see if they want to come down or not. And yeah, we'll wait and see. We're currently in the short still on the nest cracker here. Let's see if this wants to do it for us, guys. If they want to come back towards that daily open to the downside, or they want to break through here. That's the main concern now, right? There is no guarantees in trading, guys, right? There is no guarantees in trading. We have to remind ourselves of it. And we just have to accept it the way it is. But maybe it's a good setup. We have some levels of resistance above us. We did close below, came back into the range. We have 6 o'clock open. In the most ideal scenario, you would expect them to respect it from here and then continue. Let's say they do stop us out and they do want to go higher. If they give us a lower time frame confirmation anywhere up in here, I would still look for a potential short. But we'll have to see what happens. Just gotta let price develop, guys. Just let price develop. I thought the guitar was for the singing traders brand. Yeah, that's funny. We got 52 people watching. Hope you guys are doing all right. If you enjoyed the live streams, if you've been here before, I assume you have been, make sure to smash up the like. We're only streaming for 10 minutes, guys. We already have 50 people in the chat. Drop a W in the chat, guys. You guys are awesome. Yesterday, by the way, I looked back at it. Yesterday, guys, we were trading like legends. I watched back the streams, so I learned from it. You know, that's what I do. Yesterday, guys, we traded like legends. Truly, right? Okay, we made good trades. The money was coming in, sure, whatever, right? But purely based on how we were trading, it was awesome, guys. We were trading really good. Nice management. We took the loss. We accepted the drawdown. We did what we had to do, and we did it. You know, it was a really good stream, guys. It was a really good stream. And I thank you all for being there, you know, and I thank you for being here now. I think it was a nice stream. If you want to join the best trading society on these YouTube streets, feel free to join. Let me send you guys an invite so you can join. It's all for free, guys. There's no payment. You don't have to pay for anything. Everyone here is trying to learn. So yeah, tune into the Discord. We got a lot, man. I don't know what to say, guys. You know, I don't want to sell anyone into joining the Discord, but you guys are awesome. Like, look at everyone in here winning. Like, everyone is making analysis, taking their trades, doing whatever. And it's just awesome to see that everyone is just trying to learn together. I don't know what to say. It's just awesome. I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, let's have a look what happens for today's setup. What is your guys' plan for the rest of the week, by the way? We're already surpassing the half of the week now, guys. Do you understand? We're getting closer to the weekend. What is your goals for the rest of the week? Let me know. What are you guys going to do on the weekend? I'm going back to my old city. I'll go to my dad as well, visit my dad, visit a couple of my friends. And that would be my weekend, guys. What is your plans for the weekend? Let me know what your plans are in the chat. We got Big Dale that actually joined the Discord. Big Dale, welcome, bro. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you find what you're seeking in our little Discord community. We got someone that subscribed. Yeah, sorry. There's no way that I can pronounce that, but I do appreciate the fact that you liked and subscribed the channel. Thank you. I appreciate that. I have no idea though. I'm sorry, but I hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in. Which accounts are you trading? I'm trading a EVA account that we traded the entire live streams. And if this trade hits, we would pass it. So we did, we went from 0 to hero live, trading micros. That would be the goal, right? So this one is at 2,800. A 50K, yeah, a 50K account, yeah. Yes, so that would be the goal, bro, to have this one done. And there's another one that's almost also finished. We got 60 people watching. Hope you guys are doing good. If you enjoyed the live streams, make sure to smash up the likes instantly, guys. It does help the stream out a lot. And I got some big news soon, guys. I got some big news soon for everyone in here. You guys are gonna potentially love it. I think you guys are gonna love it. There's definitely some giveaways coming for sure on a day-to-day basis. So you be prepared. Like I got something for you guys, right? I got something for you guys. And once it's there, once it's fully out and fully done, right? I'll let you guys know. Oh yeah? That's good. All right, let's see. We're selling it off here. Let's hope we're gonna continue here. That would be nice. We're looking for a total of 175 on the account to pass this one. Thomas treating us. I'm trying my best, bro. Like I told you guys before, I wouldn't partner with anyone or anything unless I fully stand behind their idea, right? And I might have found something for you guys. But we'll see. We'll see what comes out of it. Let's have a look. What are your guys' biases for today? Let me know in the chat. Let me make a poll, actually. Oh, how the fuck do you do that? How do I do that? You guys know? Start a poll. All right, here you go. What is your bias today for NQ? Long, short, or unbiased? All right, let me know in the chat. Press the vote, guys. Press the vote. Let me know in the chat what you're looking for today. Are you looking for longs, shorts? Are you unbiased? Hit it up here, guys. Let me know what you're looking for. Let me know what you are looking for. Oh, so we have longs, we have shorts. Oh, it's actually going head to head. That's nice. We have 40-40, 20-50-30. Make sure to smash the vote and let me know. Let me know what you're looking for today. We're selling off pretty nicely here. Would be a great start if this wants to hit here, guys. We're only $110 away from passing our account live on stream. That would be crazy. Then we actually did it live. Starting from ground zero to hero. That would be crazy, right? Trading micros, guys. Trading micros. Let's have a look here. All right, so we got 15 votes. There's 60% looking for shorts and 13% looking for longs, and we have 27% on bias right now. How much do you have to make and how long time spent? This account, we started it, I think, last week. And you have to make 3,000. Yeah. And yesterday we traded only 3 micros with 120 buck risk, and we ended up making 460 on the day. And it's currently at 2,900. Good risk management. Yeah. We went down, bro. We went like, you guys, everyone who's here, let me know in the chat if you were there. But we went down a couple of $100 every single live stream, and we made it back, trading micros. You know, we did it. We actually did it, guys. You know, like, it's actually awesome. I think we're doing good things here. Like, I'm developing as a trader still. Like I told you guys before, I'm not the best trader out there. I'm not claiming to be. I don't want to be seen that way either, because I don't think I am. But I'm a developing trader, right? And we're doing it together, guys. Good risk management. We're climbing ourselves out of the hole if we dug ourselves into it, but just making good trades. And it's working out, you know? It's working out, guys. So W in the chat for everyone. Everyone who's here, who's tuning in. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Chase, and I appreciate that, bro. Daniel also killing it. Daniel's in the same similar position as me, killing it. Look at this guy. Daniel's a legend, guys. He's been killing it every single day. Chang, hope you're doing good, bro. I just showed your chart on the live stream. You're a killer, bro. This guy is a legend. If you want to see more of his trades, make sure to tune into the Discord. This guy has been killing it. He has been using the time points. Or maybe, I'm not sure if that's the reason that this entry from the true day open here. But this guy has been killing it, man. You can see here you have 2 o'clock. Selling off from 2. And they like midnight open from 2 o'clock. Look at this, man. He's killing it. Killing it. Alright, I'm going to end the poll. Oh, let me see if I can do it. End the poll. We got 21 votes. And 50% of you guys are looking for shorts. 30% are looking for longs. And 23% is unbiased. Let's see what we have for today. For now, I'm looking for the more short side potential. But this could, of course, flip any second here. You never really know, right? You never really know, do you? Benz, hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome back to the live stream, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, my friend. We got 76 people already watching, and we only been live for 20 minutes. You guys are awesome. You guys are legends. I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the likes so we can, you know, grow our server and our little trading society together. Carlos. Awesome. Carlos is also taking this position to the downside. Carlos is a legend. Carlos has a wide screen. This is a big screen, Carlos, that you got here, bro. Really nice. Look at this. Trading multiple accounts. This guy's killing it, man. Look at that. 27 up on the day. 470 up on the day. This is sick, bro. This is a really nice screen. It's like one of those 49 inches, right? Carlos? This is really nice, bro. Really nice. Really nice, bro. Really nice, my friend. Alright, we have a really nice closure here for the 15, guys. It's lovely. Really nice closure for the 15. Someone sent me a text message. Oh, I need to do my tax returns. I need to do my tax returns. Of course, right? Of course. They want to take everything away from you. It is what it is, though. It is what it is. Let's see. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold is still selling off. Like I said before, guys, I wouldn't be interested in looking for any setups whatsoever until they come back to like 190-ish. So I'm waiting for that to happen here. And we'll have to wait and see if that if they want to come down for us. It's going to be a little bit more of a chilling stream today, guys. A little bit more vibing, a little bit more relaxed. No more, you know, no hardship. Just relax a little bit today. Let's see, we have a no top wick here for this current 5, so they could reach back up to it and actually make it efficient before they go lower again. Which wouldn't be crazy if that happens. Wouldn't be crazy at all. Let's see what happens here. Let's have a look on the 15. I'm still liking it overall, guys. I'm still liking it overall. Hi, Thomas. Christoph. Hope you're doing all right, my friend. What was the gold dump this evening? It mainly could be because of the news, the geopolitical news that's coming out. There's a lot of news coming out lately, right? So I think that might have a big influence. What you could do is you could go on Truth Social, and Trump likes to talk about anything and everything on his Truth Social. And there's a lot of stuff that comes out, and you could assume that whenever Trump makes a certain tweet, or there's a tweet from Iran about the Strait, that has a lot of impact on gold. And you can see that oil also started sinking heavily, right? So oil's been sinking heavily, and gold has been reacting to it. Bullish, in a bullish sentiment here. Don't you think that gold has the bottom in? Check the trend line, it kind of broke it. Well, yeah, the thing is, bro, like to a degree you could say that this is the bottom at 4,000, but we've been trending down for a long time, right? Unless they break the yearly open and actually flip it bullish and they start delivering above it, that might be a confirmation for me that this is a switch in delivery for the overall year on gold. But I think they want lower prices still, to be honest, bro. Right? If the news continues and the war continues, there's a lot of time ahead before the midterms come, right? Or a different president, you know? So until then, the market could still be really unstable and continue the other way. I'm not saying that another president would do it better, but yeah, it's just how it is, right? So until then, yeah, I don't know, bro. You know, like, lower prices on gold wouldn't be unreasonable. I actually expected the Nasdaq to continue lower as well, like for a longer period of time. We actually retested 6 o'clock now, as you guys can see. A flip from here would be ideal. This is a really nice retest, to be honest, from 6. I would not like to see them break above it now. Let me have a look here. Give me 1 second, guys. We actually took all-time highs already on the ES, which is crazy. We're also breaking higher, so we have divergence here. If they break back above 6, this could be the bottom wick to the continuation higher here. We already tested back into the opening gap. Let's see what happens here. I am going to trail my stop loss above the current 6-hour high. If they break through it and they don't want to go lower, I'm assuming that this could be the bottom wick for 6, and we could actually continue its original trend. We have to, of course, remind ourselves that we have some bullish divergence happening now with the ES in comparison to MNQ. So protecting yourself at all costs, guys. Let's see what happens here. If they do want to break higher and they don't want to take the low beforehand, yeah, then I'm ultra bullish here. So we're gonna see what happens. What kind of news did you say that was gonna come out? I don't see there. I don't know if there's any news that comes out, bro. Burke, I have no idea. That we have non-farm employment change later today at 2:15 for me. So that's 8:15. We have news at 8:15 and we have news at 10 o'clock New York time, but it's orange folder. And we have Trump speaking tonight. No, yeah. So no, what I said about news is that you could check out Truth Socials. That's a platform created by Trump, where Trump goes on a ranting spree and he talks about everything and gives his opinion on whatever. And that's where you can, if he tweets on Truth Social, you can get some massive moves out of it. But you also have Financial Juice. That actually is a better place to look for your news information, but it is a paid service, right? So you need to pay for it if you want to use it. It's like $90 per quarter, so it's like $30 a month. It's worth it depending on whether or not you're using it in your technical approach. Did you hear about that bot for 100k a month? No, I have no idea. Good morning, Sunday. Hope you're doing all right. We got 93 people watching. We've only been live for 25 minutes. You guys are insane. I really appreciate every single one of you. Insane in the good way. Insane in the good way. Thank you for tuning in. Before Trump is tweeting something, you get an alert. That's crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. I mean, if you can automate it in the sense that, you know, like, because how would you predict the market sentiment around the tweet is the question that I then ask myself, you know. It's a bit tough sometimes, I guess. I've many times that I thought that news was positive and it ended up not being positive at all. Trump is giving you the signal, yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. For the guys that did not know it yet, we have a free Discord community. If you want to tune in and chat with everyone else live, let me know. You can tune in through the actual link in the chat. We have a lot of people already. We have like, how many people do we have now? 200 people. We have 200 people in the Discord community. That's fucking awesome. I really appreciate every single one of you. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Yeah, you guys are killing it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. You guys are awesome. We share everything. Wins, losses. It's just, you know, like an actual trading community. There's no payment required to join. Just don't be an asshole, and you're welcome to be here. You're welcome to be here. You're almost sell. Yeah, I'm currently selling. Yeah, I'm currently selling. We will see what happens here, though. We'll see what happens here. I was expecting some nice move to the downside here. It's not doing it at the moment, though. Community growing fast. Yeah, it's growing. It's growing. It's growing at a good rate, you know, at a sustainable, healthy rate. I don't want to. I'm happy that we don't have like 20,000 people in the Discord community. Like, it's no need, you know. Just have a small group of people. Everyone who enjoys growing together is way better than having a big community with people that don't want to grow, right? Where's your TP on the gold short? I'm not short in gold, my friend. I'm not even in gold right now. Let's see what happens here, guys. It's not a favorable closure here. We don't have a lot of risk on anymore. If they take us out here, that would be what would this be? Yeah, only $52, so that's not a major issue here. Let's see what happens. As long as they don't break the current 6-hour high, I'm still favorable for the shorts here. The VIX is not doing anything. The VIX is just AFK right now. It's just NPCing. It's not doing anything. It's just standing still, guys. It's not even moving. My chart is not even responding anymore. Ah, okay. Yeah, now it's just standing still. It's just not doing anything. So I'm expecting the VIX to come back to the daily open to the upside. That will be the overall idea here after the sweep of liquidity. Good closure back. That would be nice, but if it doesn't want to do it, then it doesn't want to do it. We'll see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. Also, if the dollar wants to rise here for a bit, that would be nice. That would actually back up our position for the Nasdaq. But then it's been chopping, guys. The dollar since yesterday hasn't done a lot here. You guys can see it, right? Like, it's not really moving fluently. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right, we got 4 minutes until a new closure here for the 15 and for the 30-minute time frame. The VIX is confused. The VIX is lowballing right now. The VIX is lowballing right now. Let's see, we're breaking through from 6. Yeah, if they flip this bullish, then we'll see what happens here. This might then be the bottom wick for 6 o'clock, and they actually already did what they had to do. Would be interesting if that's the case. Could definitely be the case though, guys, right? There's no reason for them. They don't have to do anything. Like, they don't have to come down here if they don't want to. And we could also just start seeking back towards these highs, as ES is just pushing through, guys. We have a really bullish momentum here on ES. And if this wants to continue, then NQ might follow through here, right? And we just have to accept it and look for the long setups instead. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Isham, welcome, bro. Hope you're doing all right. Daniel says I'm break even. The VIX is confused. The VIX is not doing anything. Hope you're doing good, Isham. Welcome to the live stream, bro. Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate that. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Hello, Sanda. Hello. Oh, good, bro. Yes. That's awesome. It's good to hear, man. Life is good, bro. Any day above ground is a good day, my friend. Bounced off the 618 retracement. You using it from this range? Or you're using it from this the current 6-hour range? I think you're using it from this one, right? I'm assuming, or you're using it. Oh no. Or you're using it from this range. Yeah, you're using it from this one, I guess. I think. I'm not sure. It's looking okay though. It's looking okay. We're still like I said, the stop is at a good location. If they break through it, then I would prefer longs. But for now, yeah, for now I'm not preferring longs as of yet. Still shorts for now. Got out of my short at break even. I think it wants to go higher today. Yeah, it might. Like, overall, my bias is of course long. Looking at ES, right? I wouldn't be surprised if they want to take out the highs again on the S, and that MNQ also wants to follow through to the upside. But it looks like this is inefficient, right? So I would like to see them take this out before they do it. But if that's not the case, they don't have to do it, guys, right? They don't have to do anything if they don't want to. Then there's also a big chance that they're just going to go from here to the upside. And if they do break the highs, we could look for the next hourly candle to continue the trend higher. That's what we could do, right? So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens, guys. We've got 100 people watching. Hope you guys are doing all right. If you enjoyed the live streams, make sure to smash up the likes. That would be highly appreciated. All right, we just opened a new half-an-hour candle. We closed the first one bearish, which is nice. We closed the 15 back below 6 o'clock again, which is also favorable. Let's see, though. Let's see what happens here, whether they want to continue or not. You never really know, do you? That's the big question. Do you know the outcome? You don't. But let's hope let's hope it works out here, guys. Oh, nice coffee to start the day. You guys got me back on coffee today. Someone sent out a GIF of someone making coffee this morning. Bro, what do you want me to do? I told you guys. If I get back on it, I get back on it. And so, what can I do? I can blame you guys, you know? I'm just joking. But, amazing coffee. All right, let's see. It's running away from 6 o'clock again to the downside. It's looking good as of yet. It's looking really good now. The VIX is also pushing higher again. So we have some potential confidence in this position now. Stop loss is still placed at a good location, personally. Let's see if the VIX wants to continue. We're also seeing some bullish momentum here on the DXY. That would also back us up. If the DXY starts pushing higher, that would be beneficial for us. Yeah, for gold, same scenario here for gold. I need to see them come down further before I can look for any setups whatsoever. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. And we're pushing it higher again on MNQ. Aloha chat, hope you're all doing fine. I'm doing fantastic, bro. How are you? Aloha, my friend. Hope you're doing good as well. Alright, it seems like the bottom wick might be in place for 6 and we want to continue higher, guys. It looks like it. We'll see though. We'll see what happens. It's interesting because the VIX started pushing higher, and that's the moment we actually start rising as well on the Nasdaq, which is interesting. Contradicting markets right now. Yeah, and the ES is just pushing like a maniac. So that also works against us here. But we'll see. We'll see. We're still alive. Still alive, but barely breathing. I think there's a big shot we're going to get taken out here, though. I need to go over the thread that you have with the opening and the close of the higher time frames. Yeah, I have a video. There's a free video, bro, where I break it all down. Here you go. It's a free video in the Discord community, and I'll share it with you here in the chat. It's an unlisted video, though. It's an unlisted video, and yeah, have a look. You know, maybe it can help you. Maybe it can help you. Oh my god, I'm in longs. Well played. If this plays out for you, congratulations. That would be nice. Just keeps pumping and pumping. Yeah, at the moment it is. It's not looking favorable, but it could still flip, guys. It could still flip. You never know. You never know. Like I said, my stop loss is placed at that high. If they take that high out, then I'm flipping my bias here. But until then, I'm still bearish. Until then, I'm still bearish. It looks like it wants to take it though, right? And then we could wait for the new hour to open up, and we could look for a potential continuation play higher. Oh, I mean, yes, yeah, ES is pumping and pumping, yeah, for sure, yeah. ES is not quitting, guys. ES is not quitting. In relationship to MNQ, though, ES is way more bullish than MNQ right now. So you could also say that MNQ is holding itself down. If we close above 75, we might continue going up. Yeah, for sure, right? If we close above the current 6-hour high, then I'm most definitely looking for longs. Then I think this could be the bottom wick, set in this wick, right? And then we're gonna continue higher after we already trace back into the opening gap of the day. We'll see what happens. You know, if they wanna, like, they could play around if they want to and eventually do it. It could also be that the new 7 o'clock candle is just gonna go insanely, like it's just gonna shoot all the way up. It could happen now. No one actually knows, guys. That's the thing with trading, right? It looks bullish though. Good closure for the 5 for the guys that are in the longs. Okay, different song. All right, let's see. We're still respecting 22 here. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold it though. Hey yo, Thomas. Yo, what's up, bro? Hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the live stream. That's interesting though. Like, for me it says, "Oh my God, Thomas." But you said, "Ayo, Thomas." Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at genuinely. Like, what is this? Look at this. Oh my God, Thomas, right? This is what YouTube Translate says to me, that this is what he's saying, right? Oh my God, Thomas. And this is what he's actually saying. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? It doesn't even look the same. Oh my God, Thomas. Hey yo, Thomas. How do they translate this into oh my god, Thomas? He's talking English. He just says hey yo. You're like, what's up? And YouTube thinks, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy. Yeah, I know what you meant. I have no idea what YouTube... Oh my god. Yes, Christoph. Yes, sir. Alright, yeah, it's still holding up 22 here, guys. So we do have a level of resistance right here. I also got the TWAP and the VWAP resting here. Gold. Yeah, gold is nothing for me as of yet, my friend. Ramat, I'm looking for potential longs lower in gold. I'm waiting for gold to actually flip lower. So until then, I'm not trading it, personally. VIX buying up. Yeah, I see it. It's looking good. Let's see if they want to continue, though. Let's see if they want to continue. We're also selling off again on the ES, which is nice. No guarantees, though. No guarantees. Well, because it bought itself up again. Look at that. Just like that in 1 minute candle. Bought itself all the way back up again. Hi Thomas, did you catch the gold longs yesterday? Yes, we had gold longs as well. Let me see. I had a picture of the trades that I took. So we have these trades. Okay, I couldn't show it. So I had these ones on MNQ. So we had one break even, then we had a long of 3.7R, then we had another break even yesterday. And we had a short on gold from the daily open that didn't play out. And then we had a long, and that did play out for, I think, was it like 3R or something like that in total as well. So this was nice. Yesterday was a good session. Yeah, we had some good trades yesterday. But I cut the session short in relationship to how much it moved, though. Like, we had it at the bottom yesterday, which is crazy. Like, we had it right here. If I just had to help one micro, and this would have been $1,600, guys, with one micro if I just waited all the way, right? If I just stayed on the entire night and had nothing else to do with my life, we would have just held the micro the entire ride. Easy to say afterwards, right? It's always easy to say something after the fact. But that would have been funny. It was just an eval, though. Yeah. It was an eval, yeah. Yeah, we're almost done trading this eval on stream. It's at $2,800 now. So maybe we can pass it, and then we traded it completely on stream. I can't hear you. How do I turn the music down? Is the music that loud? Is this better? But like you said, anything is easy afterwards, indeed. Yeah, anything is easy afterwards. After the fact, everyone is a wizard, right? I can tell you it was a really nice decision to buy Bitcoin in 2008 or 7. You know? You should have listened to me back then, guys. You should have listened to me when I was 5 years old. When I told you to buy Bitcoin, you should have listened to me back then. And you didn't. You didn't. I mean, what more do you want from me? I mean, come on, guys. I still can't hear you very well. Do I control the music or do you? I don't know, my friend. I gotta be honest. I think that's on your side. Like, there's no way that you can't hear me. I'm pretty sure. If I look at the settings, oh, let me tune in on my phone to see if it actually is that bad. Give me 1 second, guys. Maybe you have music on in the background. Have you checked if you got any music on in the background? Let's see. Nah, it should be good, man. I gotta be honest with you. It should be good. It should be good. There's no way that the music is too loud. It was me, thanks. Okay, no problem. Good to see that everything is alright. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 sec. Give me one. Alright, we're selling off again. Looks good. Thomas, how are you? Eras, I'm doing good, bro. How are you? Are you doing alright? I'm sorry, guys. I'm looking. I need to chat with someone on my phone. Alright, let's see. Sometimes guys, I gotta be harsh and direct with my friends. I don't know if my friend Wieland is in the chat right now. I don't know if he's here, but yeah, he told me to put him onto something, and I told him directly, and I said him, yo bro, that's not you, bro, right? In a good manner, right? Like, I'm a good friend, guys. When I'm direct, I mean it in a good heart, as in I wouldn't tell you to do something if I'm like 100%, like 1000% sure that you shouldn't do it. Like, it's not gonna be good, right? And yeah, sometimes you gotta hurt your friends to be the good friend, guys. Sometimes you gotta hurt your friend to be the good friend. Today will be a range play, I believe. Yeah, you could be right. You could be right. It's not doing anything as of now. We're already been in this position for 45 minutes. I hope it will do something, right? I hope so. We'll see. Listen, you should reach out to Blue Sky Prop. They're open to new streamers to cooperate with them. Thank you, RS. I appreciate that. But I already have something that's cooking for you guys. All right, so you guys wait up. Until what time will you be here? Probably like 2 hours and 30 minutes or something like that. It will go down for sure, Tommy. Yeah, let's hope so, my friend. Let's hope so. It doesn't have to, right? Nothing is definite, guys. You see what I'm saying? Nothing is definite. It doesn't have to do anything if it don't want to. Hey, this is a nice tune. Oh, look at that. No bottom wick. Ooh. This is like the Wii music. You guys see what I'm saying here? This is like the music that you listen to on the Wii when you were playing Wii with your friends. It's like the lobby music. You even see what I'm saying? Like elevator tunes. Ah. Nice. Really nice. I like it. I like very much. You gotta love it though. You gotta love it. Thomas, after live, you go to work? No. I don't have a job, bro. I trade. Oh, we're selling off here. Look at that. What a sell-off. We almost got wicked out on that no bottom wick, but we're still alive. We're still alive and breathing here, guys. Jeez, yes sir. All right, the elevated tunes are gone. Let's see what the tunes are for now. We got 136 people watching. You guys are awesome. If you enjoyed the live stream, so make sure to smash up the likes. We got a like goal for today. A like goal for today here, guys. 150 likes. I know you guys asked me before, is it for a giveaway? No, it's not. No, it's just for supporting the live stream. Yeah, okay, it's just for supporting the live stream. Sooner than later, there will be giveaways, right? Sooner than later. I promise you guys, right? But not now. Now it's just to support me. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It would have been a bummer if that stopped you out. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. But we're still alive. We're still alive, but it's still not going anywhere. Like, if it wants to go somewhere, it has to actually break out. You see what I'm saying? And that's currently not happening. As of yet. I want to see, give me 1 sec. How much would this be? Alright, here you go. Back towards this low. Let's see if it wants to do it though. Like, it's still not really doing it. Do you go to break even? Yeah, I will go to break even soon. If they sink it down again and they come into like this low, I would definitely go to break even. If they break through this low. If they then come back up again, there's a big chance they're gonna take out this liquidity, right? Like, we gotta stay honest to ourselves here. We got the last 15-minute candle for this current hour. Like, if they want to close this back bullish, that wouldn't be ideal. It's looking good for now, though. It's looking good for now. We're managing our risk correctly, putting our stop at a good location. The VIX is pushing through here. Like, it's not looking like it wants to go the other way, so that's nice. That is nice. 3-minute close really bearish, which is also favorable. The 1 minute it's looking all right. It's looking all right. It's looking all right. All right, we're breaking through. Okay, I'm gonna put myself to break even here, guys. Let's hope that they just want to continue here, guys. Let's hope they want to continue here. That would be like crazy if they now wick it all the way back up to stop me out on break even. That would be crazy. That's like crazy punishment for putting it to break even. But I think it's a wise decision. The VIX is pushing up really hard here. So if they take out this level, we do have to go to break even regardless. So I hope they want to push it through here, guys. Is Jason in the chat? If Jason is not in the chat, we're fine with our break even here. Otherwise, I need to go through another therapy session. Xian, that's tough, bro. Nice overall play though. Look at the respectance here of 22, guys. Do you guys see that? Press a 1 in the chat if you see this. Look at that stuff, bro. It's been tapping it like how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, guys. That's a lot of taps. That's a lot of tapping. That's a lot of tapping. If you know what I mean here, guys. All right, we're running it back up again. We're running it back up again. Let's see if they wanna. Let's see what they wanna do here, guys. We got a new 5-minute opening up here in a minute. Let's see what this baby wants to do. Let's see if it wants to do. I tapped that too. Yeah, I wish someone. I wish it. Man, I knew it, right? I knew it. I knew that. I knew someone would say something like that. Oh, here you go. We got the elevated tunes back. Or this. Oh, you guys, these are the tunes that you hear. Let's say you call customer service or whatever. You guys 100% feel me when I'm saying this, right? You call customer service of Amazon, and they put you on hold, and then you hear this shit. 100%. And then you wait for 5 minutes, you lose your fucking head. And this is the music that you hear, for sure. That's awesome. Like, we got the best tunes on the internet here, guys. We got the best tunes on the internet. Let's see if it wants to go down here. Let's tap the lows. Yeah, let's hope so. Let's hope it actually wants to go. Stop ranging. Stop ranging for a bit here. All right, yeah, if we break through midnight, that would be the first sign for me that this wants to flip lower again for ES. So that would be a good sign. We did sweep some liquidity above these highs, or we have relative equal highs. That's not beneficial actually. But we'll see. We'll see whether or not this wants to go lower. Or it just wants to continue ranging around, guys. You never really know, do you? We got 9 more minutes until the new hourly open here, guys. Let's have a look at what's going to happen today for the new hour. We got 140 people in the chat right now. Hope you guys are doing all right. Stick around and find out. We got a like goal for today, 150 likes. Make sure to smash up the likes if you enjoy the live stream. That would be highly appreciated. I got some big news, by the way, coming soon. Whether I'm going to say it today, tomorrow, Friday, or next week, I'm not going to tell you. But there is some really big news coming, guys. And you're all going to enjoy it. And it definitely includes a lot of giveaways, that's for sure. Because I think about you guys, of course. You know, like I think about all of you. You have to understand. That's the reason I'm making this potential agreement here, guys. All right, let's have a look. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, we're buying ourselves back up again. Nasdaq, baby. Why you do me like this? Why you do me like this? Yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. All right, we got taken out on break even. I got taken out on break even. It is what it is, though. Yeah, if they, I don't know. I'm not gonna enter it again, to be honest. I think this could be potential draw on liquidity. What a ranging market, guys. Jason, hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome back to the live stream. Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in, my friend. Yeah, we're gonna wait and see, guys. We're gonna wait and see what happens here. That was my yeah, that was my first trade. Yeah, it ran into like $100 of profit. Could have taken it out, but didn't. I wanted to go for a oh yeah, well, back down, you know, just back down basically. FundedNext account giveaway. Negative. I'm not gonna tell you guys anything. I won't be telling you anything as of yet. Look at this market though, guys. What a ranging market. We tap back into that level once again. If they now sink it lower, that would be crazy. We got 5. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it, guys. There's too much liquidity now resting above these highs. So if I now want to take it like this, yeah, it just doesn't make sense to me. It just doesn't make sense to me. We're gonna wait and see. We're gonna wait for them to either take one side of the liquidity, either down or up, and then we just look and wait what happens afterwards. We're still moving higher here on the VIX, so we're moving in the same direction now, which is not favorable. Robena, hope you're doing good. Micro scalping. Are you micro scalping? I'm not micro scalping, no. Yeah, it could be the case, my friend Aloha, that it wants to pull up higher. Right now, for me, it's unclear personally. It's unclear. Like I could see them take out these highs, but what they want to do afterwards, I don't know. Bazim, hope you're doing good, bro. Double bottom, yeah, double bottom, yeah, it is double bottom, bro. But double bottom is also liquidity, right? At least in the concepts that what I look at, this is liquidity. Let's have a look here. What happens? Ranging higher still on the VIX. As you guys can see, we're still pushing up higher, and we're tapping back into that level once again. What is gold doing here? Gold is breaking up higher above 6 o'clock. I personally don't really like to long it from here. It's pretty high up for me. But maybe we just have to accept it as it is. Let's see though. I mean, this could be a really good trade for the new hour. And then something like this would be the case. Then we have to break through 2 o'clock and reuse 2 to go higher. And then we just need to continue pushing it up. I would only risk 1 though. Let's wait for the new hour and see what happens here. Overall, I'm preferring to long it lower. So I might not take the position, but this could be a potential entry for the longs. But it could also be that this is going to be the short entry, right? So the current trend is for the current duration to the downside, even though the higher time frame is long. We could see a pullback forming here on 6, right? So this means that we could go down and then have the initial move higher, meaning that this just internally could be a new high, break below, and then continue the trend lower. That would also be an option here to retrace back into the current day trading range. And they could tap back into 2 o'clock, and that would be your 8 o'clock open. All right, they tap back into it, they can't break it, and then sell lower again. Maybe that's gonna be the play here, guys, for the shorts instead of the longs, because I prefer it lower. We'll see. Roa, good morning, bro. Hope you're doing all right. Glad you're tuning in, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, the Nasdaq is not doing anything. Should have I taken the 100 out? I don't know, guys. We're almost done passing this account live, right? So I would like to pass it. I don't want to like go full porting it just for the sake of it, right? So we need to get 200 bucks out of the market, risking like 100 bucks here. Just got done with my morning run. Oh, nice, bro. Really nice. Staying fit and healthy. Trade last night, Topstep 250 twice. Nice, bro. Yeah, you're killing it. Roa's killing it, guys. This guy is a legend. Making bankroll. That's what it's all about, guys. So much liquidity resting here now. Yeah, I don't know why they're building it up like this. Like, this actually is not doing anything. Lucid or Tradeify? Who, me? This is a top 1 futures account, bro. I know there's some hatred against them for some reason. But I got paid out with them before, right? So I don't really mind using them. Now, let's have a look what happens here, guys. Lucid took me live. And yeah, that's what happens, you know. That's what happens. Gold entry long. Yeah, well, it depends, Dil. I would like for it to go lower. But we'll have to see. Let's say the new hour opens up. So you have the new hour in 8 seconds. And price actually wants to continue to the downside. Into the fair value gap. And then want to move higher. I would just look for the potential long here. But let's say they do the opposite. Let's say they do this. I would look for the shorts. Right? Because I'm overall looking for price to go lower personally. I don't like the location here. There's an inefficient low below at midnight. I would like to see them take it out, right? But I could be 100% wrong here, bro. All right, that's 7 o'clock. You have no bottom wick here on 7. An interesting move here. Coming back into midnight. This could be a potential short setup. I might look for it to reach above it here. Take this high out. And then look for the shorts from up here, guys. We might stop above this high. Back to these lows. This is what I'm going to give it a cry for, bro. For cry. Back into this fair value gap on the 3-minute time frame. Taking internal liquidity here above this high. And we have no bottom wick on the current hour. So I'm anticipating this to be taken out. You have a lot of liquidity was built to take it out. This is my current... I'm just trying to trade the inefficient price action here, guys, right? So make your own decision. It could also just go all the way through and not give a fuck, right? It could be the case. But I think they want to put a bottom wick on 7 here, right? If they want to put a bottom wick on, we would almost be done passing this account. So that would be the idea here. If they do take out the bottom wick, non-bottom wick now, it changes the whole scenery, right? It would be different. But this is the goal here for me. Which account do you use with top 1? The Elite Access, bro. Topstep overcharged me 1.5k 2 days ago, so that's nice. What? That's crazy, bro. Overcharging you 1.5k is mad. Have you reached it back? Have you got your money back? What do you target a day? I don't have a target, bro. I don't have a target. If it comes to like, if you're funded, of course you have a consistency rule, right? But I don't personally have a target in mind. Let's see what happens here. All right, put an alert down here for 7. I did not expect them to hit it already. I would like to see the new 3-minute potentially close below 7 here. All right, we got tagged in for the shorts here for the Nasdaq. Stops are above this current previous high on the 3. You have no bottom wick here, guys, so this could also just go bazooka and shoot all the way through the sky here, yeah? So beware of that, but I'm hoping for them to come back to put a bottom wick on this current hourly candle. And they swept liquidity here, so yeah, I'm anticipating that to happen here. All right, we tapped 2 o'clock. If they now close below 7 on the 3, I would look for a sell setup as well on gold. You see what happens here, right? So they tap back into 2. That's your 8 o'clock open. And anticipating price to go lower from here. We'll see if that happens though. Let's see what happens here for the Nest cracker. Good morning. Good guy. Good morning, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Guys, anyone traded with FTMO? Yeah, I traded with FTMO before. They're a bit expensive though. Even for the CFD side. Even for the CFD side, they're a bit expensive, but you need to make your own decision, of course. If you let FTMO is a big one in the game, so because they're that big in the game, they're also, you know, they are more likely to pay you out, of course. They bought up a Wanda actually, which is crazy if you think about it. Are they paying big amounts? Because I bought 100k on Monday. You're talking about FTMO? Jason? Alright, let's see. So we're tapping back into 2 again. Closure below 7 would be a short potential for me. Are they paying? Well, yeah, I would assume they pay big amounts. You have pretty guys that are pretty good with them. You have the max allocation and stuff. Like, they will eventually limit you to a certain amount of risk that you're allowed to take if you're taking too much money. But I know a funded trader here in the Netherlands that that has max allocation with them and got paid out probably a couple 6 figures with them. So this should pay you, bro. They should have the money for it at least. If you break the rules, it's different, of course, right? We're still buying ourselves up here for the VIX. Let's see what happens here, though. I would look for the shorts on gold if gold wants to break below 7 again. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, so they will cap you at least at 1% per trade. Yeah, exactly. So that's the thing, right? That's the cap what I was referring to, Jason. If you go too mad with them, they will cap you for how much money you're withdrawing from them. But and still, if you have 400,000 in max allocation, I think they allow you to up to 400,000 or 600 or something. If you risk 1%, you're still risking 6 grand, right? So I don't know how much money you want to make, but that's still a lot of money. All right, we're selling it off. Let's see if they want to continue selling it off, though. Gold is not doing it for us. We're waiting for that closure below 7. It's not looking favorable for the shorts. I could not have taken the longs either, so I'm okay. Like, it doesn't really matter if this goes. It goes. It is what it is. I mean, Q is looking nice though, if they want to continue. No bottom wick on 7. Like, we're looking for a small wick below 7 o'clock here. If they tap it out just precisely and then wick it back up again, that wouldn't be ideal. That wouldn't be ideal. Why you have gold at 42 to 30 and CFDs at 164? Yeah, that's just the difference in price, bro. That's always the case in futures and CFDs. Almost never the same price. Almost never the same price, but the structure is the same. The structure should be the same. Let's see what happens here. We're tapping back into midnight. Even though there's no bottom wick, guys, there's no guarantees here, right? There's no guarantee that this will make it efficient. So manage your risk. Let's see what happens here. It's looking alright for now, though. It's definitely looking good. If I would add one more, I need to see. So that would be adding it here. Gonna leave it as it is for now, though. Let's see what happens. Big buy up from midnight open here. If they re-break this low, I might add to the position and throw my stop lower. Assuming they want to then seek for 7. That would be the ideal scenario here for me. I'm holding my buys from 29,850. Oh, nice. Well played. Hope it plays out for you, True Blue. Hope it plays out for you, my friend. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold is still rising higher. If they do want to wick down and create some form of a bearish formation, I would look for the short still, but not until now. Both the VIX and the Nasdaq are rising heavily here. Let's see. ES is still pushing higher. We're almost at the highs, the all-time highs again for ES, which is crazy if you think about it. All of that in what? In a couple of days, guys. A couple of days we broke all the way up again. We have a massive bullish divergence, by the way. Look at that stuff, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. For ES and the Nasdaq. Yeah, it might just want to continue higher here, guys. And we do not have a bottom wick on 7. Which is not ideal. Normally, I wouldn't, like I said, like, it's inefficient price action. It doesn't mean that price don't want to, you know, go and push all the way higher if they want to. But it means that there is inefficiencies down below, right? So that's the reason for the short here from the extreme. Overall, I see that we're flipping back above 6. And like I said, if we close back above 6, I would look for longs. But there was no way for me to get involved here in any long setup whatsoever. At least not for me. What would be the cost if I add one more now? Alright, yeah. Okay. I'm adding 1 to my position here, guys. So I've added 1 to the position. My stop is now placed at this current hourly high. Let's see what happens here. If they don't want to respect this high, there's a big chance they want to take this one anyways. And now we increased our risk by 20 bucks or 30 bucks. So it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it could be that NQ is gonna follow it all the way to the all-time highs as well. Then they might leave that inefficient low here. Then they might leave it. You never know. NQ is NQ, guys. It could go like this, could all the way go down, and then buy itself all the way back up again. That's just NQ, you know. You just have to manage your risk and make calculated decisions here. Buying itself back up again. We are in this extreme here. Still closing below the 50% of the gap every single time, which is interesting. You're going against the trend. I appreciate that. Like, I'm aware of it. I'm aware of it, my friend. Thank you. The main reason why I'm going against the trend, by the way, is because of the inefficient low at 7, right? And because the VIX, the contra product for the Nasdaq, is going higher, right? So that's the main reason. Is it funded or an eval? This is an eval. We traded it live on stream. If we get this trade, we would pass it, and we did it live with micros. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if this wants to play out or not. If not, then you know, who knows? Maybe the next trade. All right, the VIX is crossing higher here, guys. We're flipping the daily on the VIX. We're still hovering right here on the Nasdaq. Let's see if the VIX wants to cross higher. You would assume in the correlating market that the Nasdaq wants to go lower, but it's definitely looks like it's being manipulated upwards. You could say. You wouldn't say that this is a normal price action, but who knows? Who knows? Let's see what happens. Let's see what gold is doing. Thomas, come on. What's up? What up, bro? Alright, we're trading way higher for gold. We had no entry for the shorts. The market isn't manipulated at all. Yeah, you're right, bro. You're right. It's not. You're completely right, bro. We're still closing below that 50% of that gap. Look at that. It's interesting. Just opened a new 15-minute candle. By the way, for the guys that are interested, join the free Discord community. If you, of course, if you feel like it, you don't have to. And if you're a nice dude or a woman, king or queen, you're allowed to join. If you're a dickhead, please don't join. We got winners in here. Look at these guys are killing it. Well played on the longs, Muggsy. Well played, bro. Congratulations, nice play. Shorting it down first and then longing it up. What a legend, though. What a legend. Well played. Really nice. Yeah, you guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. Ah, nice. Well played. Nice. Really nice, guys. Let's see what the 15 is doing here. What is the indicator with the timings? This is my personal indicator. I'll share it with you. So I have the monthly open and daily open and yearly open here. That's this indicator. And then I also have the openings, the intraday openings W07, James Bond. Here you go. Use them if you want to. No financial advice. You know, no financial advice. But here you go. And you need to put them, of course, in your own settings. You put whatever time you like. You put whatever time you like. $50 lots is really big, Sanda. That's a lot of size, my guy. That is a lot of size. Even if I was trading a 200k account, I probably wouldn't even be trading a mini, guys. Some of you guys, you put so much size on in comparison to me. I'm just a little bitch, I think, sometimes. Like, it's crazy. We got 156 people watching. Hope you guys are doing all right. If you enjoyed the live stream, hit the like. We got a like goal for today. We could already hit it if you all smash the like. You don't have to, of course, if you don't want to, but it would be appreciated. It would be appreciated. Hey, thank you for subscribing. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I know Live. So welcome, Live. Thank you for subscribing. What makes you think the markets plays fair if the world is not? That's a good question, Roa. That's a really good question, my friend. Welcome, by the way, for the guys that joined the Discord. Welcome to the Trading Society. You guys are awesome. Look at them joining in, tuning in. You guys are legends. Where do you trade from? I'm currently based in the Netherlands. Florian, welcome, bro. Hope you're doing all right. I'm based in the Netherlands and I live close to Amsterdam. Can I get your thoughts on silver? Yeah, sure. I'm in long since 61,500. Oh, you took the man. You took the amazing entry. Yeah, if it just wants to continue, I would say it goes to the goes back to the highs, right? Like, you could look at gold. If gold wants to take London highs and you have the correlation between both assets, you could just look for the continuation play. If oil wants to sink lower and the dollar wants to sink lower like it's doing now, I don't see nothing stopping you, bro. I would, if I was you, trill your stop, you know, like protect yourself at all times. At least make some money if it doesn't go your way. How do I join your Discord? The Discord link is right here, bro. There you go. The Discord link is in the chat. Thanks, man. Do you think I should hold on to the New York Open? I'm a bit worried about the volatility. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Personally, I think the New York Open is because there's a lot of indecisions, right? That's the main reason that I don't trade the New York Open itself. Is because of the indecisions, right? There's a lot of people that say, yeah, why don't you trade the New York Open, blah, 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 blah. Because it's really easy to blow your account. It's really easy for the market to have a complete different sentiment after the New York Stock Exchange opens. So that's the main reason if you want to hold through it, you could. You just need to make your own decision, bro. I'm not, yeah, you know, like, I personally wouldn't, depending on what the location is. Like, you need to ask yourself, for example, let's say you're in a trade, right? Let's say you're in a trade like this. Gonna draw it out for you. Let's say you're in a position like this, right? Boom, boom, boom. You're like right here, and the New York Stock Exchange opens in 5 minutes. What is the risk to reward ratio from this location, and how much will you make in relationship to how much are you already up? Whether or not, mathematically speaking, it's a wise decision to take the risk. All right. Let's say you're up here, or down here, and let's say you can make 3 times as much as what your position is worth right now. You're willing to take the risk, sure. But let's say you're up $250 and you can make 270 or 280 or whatever, right? So $30 more, and the loss is 250. That's a negative risk to reward ratio. You see what I'm saying? In relationship to where you are in the current trade that you're in. So then I would maybe consider just closing it out. That's just, you know, that's just me, but that's yeah. I would say that is a smart decision, you know. That would be a smart decision. We keep closing below that gap here, guys. It's just crazy. Like, they don't want to send it down though. They still haven't sent it down. So they might just manipulate price further higher, and they want to keep the inefficient low, and they don't want to give it a low. We'll see. I told you M&Q is going up. Yeah. Let's see. This is the indicator that I made. Hey, thank you for sharing it, my friend. I can't see your name. Who shared the indicator in the Discord chat? Make sure to just share it in the free education or in the trading education channel. And yeah, thank you, bro. If anyone wants to use it, it's a free indicator, I think. I think it's a free indicator. Oh, I see it here. Solomon, thank you, bro. Make sure to share it in the trading education. Double bottom, yeah. You're completely right, Aloha. Completely right, my friend. Alright, you guys are awesome. You guys are joining in. What's happening? Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the Discord channel. We got 150 people watching. You guys are legends. Hope you guys are doing good. I see how they close this one. Hello, Vinny, welcome. Hope you're doing all right. Welcome back to the live stream, bro. You're doing good. All right, we had a closure above the gap now, which is not ideal. All right, this would be a sign that they potentially could keep rising higher. We'll see what happens here, guys. We'll see what happens here. For the guys that took the long setup today, well played. Saw a couple of guys in the Discord chat that took it. Well played, guys. Solomon, I deleted your message in the main chat, and if you just posted in the trading education, then that's perfect, bro. Thank you. Muggsy took them both ways, like a legend. Let's see. It looks like we're gonna get taken out here on this position. Did he has already? He did not cross the all-time highs yet. Thomas, the VIX is going up and NQ as well. Yeah, I see it, bro. I see what you're saying, man. I see what you're saying. When it comes to like the correlation aspect, it's not correlated right now. Put your stop loss a bit higher. No, I'm not gonna put it higher, bro. It's so hard trading Asia and London recently, chopping for the past few days. It's been on and off, you know. Like it's been. If you're directionally right, you just have to have more patience, right? Like right now, I'm shorting. Overall, I'm bullish bias, right? But there's no way for me to long here. And I saw the inefficient low on the hourly, and then they reached back into the extreme. So I was looking for the short setup to the downside. Yeah, purely based on the fact that there's no bottom wick on the hourly, right? And that the VIX is rising, but it's being manipulated against each other at the moment. ES dragging it up. Yeah, for sure. You're 100% right, bro. 100%. Yeah, I think we're gonna get taken out here. I scaled into the position. So that's why I can't move my stop now. But it's alright, it's not a problem. Still live but barely breathing. Alright, here we go. Got taken out here. ES is going to take the all-time highs, it seems, again. For me, there was no way to long in this leg whatsoever. We also have the inefficient low on 7. So, yeah, it just is what it is, you know. Let's see what happens once ES takes out the current day, the current all-time highs. Do you mind sharing your trading? Yeah, I have a full-on video where I explain how I look at the charts. It's in the free video section. I'll send you the video link. There you go. Yeah, gold is rising. Never broke back below 7 o'clock, so there was no short for me here. Also no long, they never came back to 6. So for me, there was no way to get involved. Awesome. Good guy, that's awesome, bro. Hello, Real Liran. Hello. Welcome. Hope you're doing all good. I hope you're doing good. Oh, I need to remove the buy limit. So what could be the bias for now is the big question, right? So we have manipulation higher, you could say, or it's an actual market moving higher, but the VIX is also moving up. So you have the correlating markets that are moving with each other in this instance. If this is a top tick and you were right, Aloha, that would be crazy. If this was, is this going to be a top tick? That would be crazy. That would be crazy. Look at that. You have a new half an hour coming in here. I did scale in, so I had no... Yeah, maybe... How much would it this been? Let's see. Yeah, yeah. No, not really, to be honest. You do have a sweep of liquidity now. You have a new 30. Yeah, this could be... I might give this another crack here with lower size again. Again for the shorts here. If they want to look at this stuff. Yeah, that is the top tick, like you mentioned, bro. Top tick like a dog here. Like genuinely. That's crazy. This, how much is this? 2 points. That would be crazy if they now sink it all the way to the target. Let's see what happens here, guys. This could be a potential entry for me. After we sweep the current hourly high, I would look for another entry from the extreme. I'm still in for us. Nice. I'll play to you guys. Did we take out the highs here on ES? Look at the sell-off just before those highs. Alright, I'm giving this another crack here, guys. So we're in another short position here. Let's see if this wants to play, though. This could be a little bit of a risky play. We'll see what happens. If they flip below this low, then I would go to break even. You have a 1 minute fair value gap here. Let's remove this one for a sec. It's a bit too much for me. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. We swept the hourly high, sold it off lower. Could indeed be a continuation play here. Aloha. With the VIX is moving so hard to the upside, like it's insane. Look at this. So I might be married to the bias here purely because of the VIX. You would assume that they want to set it off, but if not, then it is what it is. I don't see any way to long it here. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's no structure. Until they come down here, there was no way for me to long this on any time frame. Yeah, it could be another stop out. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I think so. I jinxed it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we got stopped out again. It is what it is. It is what it is. Have you tried to check the VIX on the Vive? I'm looking at it right now on the hourly, bro. I'm looking at it on the hourly, but look at this, man. It's just crazy. 15-minute FVG. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It is a 15-minute FVG, but still, like, how would you like? If you would enter it like this, right? Where would you put your stop? Because you could put your stop below here, but then you have an inefficient low. So if they reach down, like there's a good chance they want to come for this low. That's the main reason I'm shorting it, right? But maybe they just want to go back to these highs again for 990. It's clearly bullish, yet you short it. Yeah, you're right, bro. You're right. It's clearly bullish. Let's see. What is the open of the current 15? It's all the way down here. Was a good closure, though. If you looked at the 15-minute time frame for the continuation short, you had the sweep of liquidity above the previous 15-minute high. Looked like a good short. Thank you for subscribing, Adel. Thank you, bro. Welcome. Thank you for welcoming me. I appreciate that. Highly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Let's see. So we're down, I think 250, or we're down 320 now. Hey, it is what it is. We're almost there. We're $200 away from passing it. We've been to it before, guys. We can make it happen. We can make it happen. Let's see. Oh, let's see. We got a new half-an-hour candle just opened up for 7. No way to get this long. For 4 For this half an hour candle, you could say it was okay from the 15-minute fair value gap. But yeah, they never came back to it. So there was no way for entry here for me. Maybe this could have been the entry with the stop below this 1 minute low. I don't know. I didn't see it personally. TP hit on gold. Nice. Well played, Vinny. Well played, bro. Nice, nice, nice long. Yeah, the DXY is shorting it like a maniac right now. So well played. No bottom, no top wick as well here for the DXY. Interesting market today, guys. A lot of inefficient lows. A lot of inefficient lows and highs. Let's see. So you got a new 20-minute candle coming in 3 minutes from now. If the market is truly bullish, then we could see a bottom wick form here for the new 20. If they then flip it, I would be tempted to look for the continuation play here. Archon, hope you're doing good, bro. Thank you for tuning in, my friend. Legend. Let's have a look what happens. If the new 20-minute opens, we could have something like this. We could look for a play like that, guys, for the longs. I don't speak Spanish, Jado. I'm sorry, bro. I have no idea what you're saying, man. Buenos dias. I don't know what it means actually, but welcome. SFC. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Last 20 minutes of the hour. Nice. Well played, Solomon. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands, bro. Where are you from? Let me know. I'm from the Netherlands. No bottom wick again. I'm from India. Nice. Welcome, bro. Hope you're doing all right. Hope you are doing all right. A really small bottom wick here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if there's anything here for us to enter from. My sister lives in the Netherlands, so I go there every quarter. Oh, nice. Do you like it? Do you like the Netherlands, bro? Yesterday I took I took 8 R from those 2 trades. Nice, bro. Well played. Yeah, we had some good trades yesterday for sure. Now we're starting a bit rough here. It is what it is, though. I've been through the trenches before here, guys. We will do what we have to do here. Let's see. So this is the current 20-minute open. $30-minute for the NFP. I don't think this is the NFP. If it is, then we do have some major news. No, well, you have NFP, but it's not the major news comes on Friday, bro. The major news is on Friday. All right, let's see. I'm waiting for this 2-minute to close, and then potentially look for this long play from the value gap here on the 2-minute. And then we look for the 20-minute creation to go higher. But this is a really tough trade, guys, right? Like, don't take it for the sake of it, guys. No closure above the 20 wouldn't mean I take the trade here. Yes, it's equal highs as well. No closure above the 20, so can't take it. The 3 is also favorable, more favorable actually if I look at it. I wouldn't be surprised. Like, I'm still preferring them to come back to the 7 o'clock low. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here, guys. Yeah, there is no such thing as being too quick though, bro. If you get the confirmation, you gotta execute, right? I got the confirmation twice, same as how I got it here, and it ended up wicking down and not doing it. If you get the confirmation, you just gotta execute. There's no way around it. Let's see what happens here now, though. This is our current 15-minute open. Alright, if they reach back down, I would long here. Closure back above the 15-minute high. Wick back into this 1 minute fair value gap. And let's see what happens here. Let's see if they want to give it to us though. They could also just start shooting it down and never give the entry. We'll see. What do you account? Do you have a 50k? Yeah, I have a 50k, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we're really near those highs as well. These highs would then be the target, back up higher. Let's see. If they run without us, that would be kind of sad here. I can read it because YouTube translated, bro. I can read it because YouTube translates for me, guys. Yeah, it seems like they're gonna go without us. Not getting tagged in by what, like fucking 2 ticks. That's crazy if that's the case. Let's see though. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see if they want to go with or without us. It's kind of sad though. This was a nice entry. We could have gone to break even already here because of the break higher. Alright. Canceling the order. Gotta be joking, right? Got a new 5 minute. Let's see what this new 5 does. Is there anything where they could reach into? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at the current 20-minute candle formation. Back into like 50. They could still come back almost to our level of interest here. For the current 5. Back to the 20-minute open. Then I need to put my stop below the 15-minute low. Or below, let me see. Yeah, let's see. If they want to come back to the 20-minute open, then I would take the entry here. For the 5. We'll see if this wants to happen or not. The VIX is also selling off now, so that also backs it up. ES is rising again. I hope we're gonna get our entry here. We didn't get tagged by two ticks, which is crazy. We'll see. We'll see. On which time frame do you trade? I trade multiple time frames, bro, to be honest. Hey, thank you for the comment, good guy. I really appreciate that, bro. Thank you, man. I trade multiple time frames. So what I do is I have multiple setups I'm looking for at different hours. And that's how I just divide it up personally. Let's see if we're going to get tagged in here. All right, we got tagged in. Let's hope they're not going to instantly run it through here. Break even would be back at these highs. Let's see what happens here, guys. Our stop is below the current 15-minute flip. Look at this. That's crazy. Let's see if they want to respect the 15-minute open. Or they want to flip it. Looks like they're going to flip it. I was still alive. Barely breathing, though. Yeah, if they take this out, I might just call it on this account, to be honest, for now. That's crazy, bro. Look at this. No bottom wick. No top wick. I'm getting like the best entries today. It's insane. All right, another stop out here. How much are we down now? 4,989, guys. Ay. You got this. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 3 times. Yeah, you're right. We've been down more and made it back. But still, like, it's overall tough market. I'm not gonna lie to you. At least for me. Some people might be making hella bank right now. But this wiki market for me is not it. It looks like this is the like... You have to trust the plan, but it looks like this is the short play now from the 15-minute open for the downside potential. But to be honest, I'm like... Trading NQ is like playing with fire. Yeah, you're 100% right, bro. I still think that we want to go back down here. I might need to just risk it for the biscuit here and accept that we're going to lose some capital. Let's see. Depends on the size here. I might give it a crack here. Let's see. I'm looking to see if I can scale in here without losing too much cap. So meaning that I'm going to use the top wick on 5 to get involved here. Alright, yeah, I'm going to give this a try here on and using the top wick as 5 to my stop loss here, guys. So I'm not using too much risk, but still could be a decent entry. Let's see what happens here, though. Alright, we got tagged in. Let's see what happens. You have an inefficient candle they took out here. Fair value gap as well. Good 5-minute closure would be if this closes bearish. If they take me out on this one, I'm gonna go to the different account. That's for sure. I'm not gonna give it all back in this market. We'll see what happens though. You're right, True Blue. I'm indeed selling it again, my friend. Indeed selling it again, bro. And I might be wrong once again, bro. I've been wrong a lot lately. And I still end up making it all back. It's just part of trading, bro. Part of trading. I've been trying to trade the range here. So in case they wanna give it to me. Otherwise it is what it is, you know. We've been ranging a lot here. Ranging up, you could say. Thomas, we have equal highs on the S. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we have good risk. Yeah, we're risking good money, you know. Like, it's not that we're over risking any time when we take a position. I gotta be honest with you. Like, looking back at it, like which positions were okay. I would say this one was okay. This one was alright as well. This one is a little bit of a tilt entry, gotta be honest, right? And then the other ones we just didn't go anywhere, right? Just is what it is. That's why I'm also switching to a different account if this one gets taken out, because if you don't want to go anywhere, I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit here. I do still think we want to go back to the 7 o'clock inefficient low. The question is, can I get involved when it happens, right? Jeremy, welcome, bro. Hope you're doing all right. I would add if they would go lower here. We have a new 8 o'clock open. This is the new hour. Let's see what happens here, guys. They might take us out here for the new hourly high. Yeah, a lot of people say that this is long, and I understand, but there's no way for me to long here. Like, I had one long setup here that looked favorable, but for the rest, there's no long setups here. You know, so if I short, I short, you know. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Anyone managing to get you long here, congratulations. That's amazing, but I can't see it. So that's my own mistake here. Let's see. I would add if they start sinking it lower here. Depends on the sizing here. Can't really lower my stop, to be honest. It really depends on what the risk would be. Yeah, if they do sink it lower here, guys, I would add to the position. And then I have to adjust my stop loss. We'll have to see what happens here. I'll have to see if they want to do it or they take me out. You never really know. Hopefully we can finally see it break. Yeah, that would be nice. Give it a sink back towards 7. This is the 3rd trade that you're losing. No, this is the 4th one. If I lose this one, then this would be the 4th trade that I'm losing. Yeah. That's alright though, it's not a problem. I've lost before. Think this is gonna take us out. Seems like it now at this current moment. Alright, get taken out again. Alright, yeah, so we tried the longs. The longs didn't play from 20. Now the shorts are not playing from 8. A lot of liquidity building. VIX is pushing higher, so everything is there for the short. It is what it is. Yeah, I don't know about it, to be honest, bro. Gotta be honest. We crossed the highs here for ES. So you have a bearish divergence in relationship to ES. Yeah, I don't know. I'm down 680, so it's not major. It's 2 good trades and we're back. It doesn't really matter. Or even 1 good trade, you know. I'm not willing to give this another crack. I still think the shorts are valid, you know, like this is the problem. Yeah, I look at this. So they took us out, top ticked us here. And this might be the breakout. That would be crazy. I might give it another crack again if they come back up, guys. I don't want to keep my risk too crazy here. Back to 7 still. In my opinion, the VIX is not helping me for trading. It just makes me more confused. Yeah, then you don't use it, bro. Like, you shouldn't use anything that doesn't work for you. You shouldn't use anything that doesn't work for you. I think the shorts were the play overall. Just had to top tick us before they moved. We'll see. We'll see what happens here, guys. We got a new 3-minute. Now look at that. That's a sad top tick, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Solar, if you're typing in the Discord, please keep it English, though. Don't type in a different language in the Discord. On YouTube, it doesn't matter because it translates the messages. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. I guess the initial buys for the shorts here were correct. We just had to get top ticked by how much? 2 points before they moved in our favor. Overall target would be for me 7 o'clock. Yeah, like I'm still willing to give it another crack, like most definitely. But we'll see what happens here. Let's say, for example, they want to go here before we get any opportunity to enter, then I would look for the longs. Can't hear you. Come closer to the mic. Turn up the sound, bro. Like, I'm pretty sure you should be able to hear me. My mic is on full and everything is on full, bro. Everything is on full, my friend. Let's see what we got here, though. Do you do end of day review? No, not written. Yeah, well, we go over whatever we did most of the times, but it's not that I go in depth on whatever I did during the day. Let's see what we have here. We're breaking out higher on the VIX. I think the VIX and the Nasdaq are not correlated at the moment, though. It doesn't seem like for today, but we'll see. Alright, if they want to give it to us, this entry, I will still take it here. Let's see if they want to give this entry to us still. Don't make any unnecessary risk here, guys. If you're not willing to lose money, don't take the trade here. I've been wrong a lot today, right? I've been wrong 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. Well, this one was right. We just got top tick, but it is what it is. I'm still preferring it to go back down towards 7. Especially now ES took the highs. And we have bearish divergence overall. Not wrong buy, it's just stop loss. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. This would be my last trade here, guys. If this doesn't play out, I'm gonna call it for what it is. We're getting close into the oh, maybe it will stay around, but then I trade a different account, right? I'm not gonna take another trade in this account, and I have to take a high probability setup to recover it back. If the market doesn't want to do it, it is what it is, you know. All right, let's see. We have a 5-minute closure. It looks like a bullish closure. Overall, I'm still preferring the short. Still, I know. Gold just went bazooka. For anyone who bought gold, well played. We never got an entry for longs here. Alright, we got tagged into the position. Let's see if this wants to bazooka all the way up again, take us out. Make us wrong 5 times today. That would be crazy. We'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. $20 minutes until a orange folder news here as well, so we have to keep that in mind, of course. Says the news and oh yeah, it's 4 minutes. You're right. You're right, bro. You're completely right. I thought it was at 2:30. No, you're right. You are right, my friend. Yeah, let's see what happens. We're selling off nicely now. Let's see if they want to continue. Which prop are you using? I'm currently using top 1 futures and eval. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here. On an hourly perspective, it still has some potential here for the pullback. But it could also be the bottom wick for the hour and the flip continuation higher. We'll see what happens. How many trades do you take a day on average? It depends, man. Yesterday we also had like 5 trades. We won 3 of them. Or we won 2 of them. We had 3 break-evens. So whenever the market is right and we have a good read, yeah, we end up making good positions here. But today I'm on the wrong side of the market, you know. I'm on the wrong side of the market. So there's no average, you know. There's no average. It just depends. This candle doesn't make sense at all. I mean, look at this. Alright, this is what it is. So there's no average for me, bro. The VIX is still pulling up higher. How long do we have? We have 1 minute until the news. Yeah, we're probably gonna get swiped out here. Who knows? We might survive. No break even. Nice, Rick. I'm happy for you, bro. I'm happy for you, my friend. I don't see the longs here personally, so yeah, it is what it is. This is supposed to be news. Yeah, alright, we got taken out here. I think we got... Yeah, we definitely got spread on. Like with $400. That's insane. And watch it go all the way to our target now. Yeah, it is what it is. You got days like these guys, right? It's just part of the game. I'm trying to trade something that doesn't move. So I'm getting myself stuck in unnecessary positions, you know? It's not going anywhere. Like, I mean, look at the 5. Yeah. It is what it is. Yeah, I guess that would be it for me, though. I think I'm gonna just call it for what it is. And we just end the day as it is, you know? I was hoping to pass the account today. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think I'm just gonna call it. I think that's the wisest decision here. And I just accept that I'm wrong, you know? Like, I don't want to trade myself into a hole for no reason. Because looking at it now, like, the trades that I've taken, I would say this was a good position overall. You had the sweep, you had the sweep of liquidity back into an extreme for value gap. It goes down, didn't work out. Long setup after the sweep down into fair value gap, 20-minute entry for the breaker or for the order block, basically didn't work out. Then you had the short that worked out in the beginning. We got top tick, then it went away. Would have been break even anyways. And now you had the news setup, right, with the news. And this setup, yeah, it ran into profit, didn't take any profits. Yeah, it is what it is, I guess, you know. I think it is what it is. Overall, I think every setup that I took, besides this one was okay for me as well. This one wasn't good, right? The fourth position. But I guess if the market doesn't want to play, it doesn't want to play, right? If it wants to take both sides, then that's just how it is. You was doing good. I'm alright, bro. Like, it's not that I don't feel offended by the market whatsoever, bro. I'm alright. It's just, you know, it's part of the game. If you trade the chop, you're gonna get chopped up, you know. And I'm trading the chop right now. So just, yeah, we just have to walk away. Call it for what it is. Who knows? I might recover the account later today if I get an opportunity to do so. But otherwise, yeah, this is what it is. I got another account that we were trading live that's almost passed as well, so we've been doing a good job. I still think that this one's a sink lower. I don't see the point of cracking it on again. Let's see what happens though. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna call it for today, guys. A little bit shorter stream, 2 hours and 20 minutes. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time as usual, 6 a.m. Be here if you want to be here. And then you guys know what I normally say, right? See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. You guys know it. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Join the free Discord if you want to be a part of it. I'll send you guys the link in the chat. Join the free Discord if you want to be a part of it. We got a lot of awesome traders in there. And I thank you very much. All right, awesome, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Speak to you later. And maybe I'll join into the voice chat on the Discord channel, actually. Not now, but later today. All right, guys, have a good one. Ciao, 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 ciao. See you later.